Hello guys, I'm Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the easiest cookie recipe, which is super flaky, but also has a lot of fun to make it. Butter needs to be properly softened to room temperature. Add a pinch of salt, 20 grams powdered sugar, and sift it. Use spatula to mix them until you can't see any sugar powder, and use whisk to whip the butter for around 5 minutes until it gets light. Press the yolks through the sieve and mix them well together. Add 80 grams all-purpose flour. Use spatula or your hands to mix them until a dough forms. Divide this dough into small pieces. Each piece is around 10 grams. Roll them into little balls. Press the center of each ball with your thumb. Preheat the oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit and bake them for around 20 minutes. You can see the cookie is super flaky. When you eat it, you can feel it's like melting in your mouth.